Going on, everyone? As always, we are behind, we are late, but that's not why you're here. You came here for what to expect when you're buying a 2007 Ford Mustang. So let's go ahead and get started, folks.
42 Degrees Auto Lifestyle. Live your wildest dreams.
But before we do, if you don't mind, if you can find it in your heart, please do make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you tell others about the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help us grow, and it will help me to bring you all more good content. So as I said, today we're talking about the 2007 Ford Mustang, what to expect when we buy it, but we got some other things going on today as well. First of all, we got to get this one washed because it's dirty, and want to do a couple of things to the car, and then I have a little treat for you at the very end, so make sure you stay tuned. We just did a quick little wash on the Mustang, just quick, you know. Keep in mind, this is not how we normally do it. Normally we spend a little bit more time on it, but we just didn't have time because, like I said earlier, we were running late. And I'm sorry, Wet Look Detailing, I'm sorry you couldn't get this one. I just didn't have time. But guys, make sure you follow Wet Look Auto Detailing on Instagram. I have his link below. He takes care of my cars. He does a real good job too, real good job. So if you're in the Atlanta area, make sure you hit him up, tell him I sent you. So I have a 2007 Ford Mustang V6 pony package. We'll talk about all that other stuff later, and I'm not going to do a too in-depth of a review because I already did that before. But I have a 2007 V6 pony package. But keep in mind, this particular body style Mustang was from 2005 to 2009. So if you find one of those in that age range, it's going to look like this right here. So the first thing that you need to know when you're purchasing one of these is it's going to draw attention. It's going to draw attention because, well, just check it out. So this began the start of Ford's tribute to the past Mustangs. So this is what the original late 60s Mustangs looked like. And so in 2005, Ford decided, like, hey, let's do a throwback. Let's make the new one kind of resemble the first one. So this is the retro look. And this is, like I said, the V6 pony package. Different packages that came in this Mustang. You have the GT, which is a V8. This is the upgraded V6 package. Now, a lot of people will frown upon that, but hey, still a nice car. As I said before, this is a 2007 Ford Mustang. Got it new in actually late 2006. So if my math is correct, this car is 15 years old. With that being said, let's talk about maintenance over the course of 15 years. And was it a nightmare? As a matter of fact, it was not. As a matter of fact, it was not. The maintenance on this car was actually pretty decent. The only thing that we really did was change the oil, get new tires, and I ran through some tires because apparently nails are attracted to the car. But keep in mind, this has nothing to do with all the other Mustangs. I guess it's just mine where nails just like to get into tires. But anyway, I digress. Oil change, tires, normal stuff. I did go through three thermostats, and I went through so many because I kept using the cheap ones, and for whatever reason the cheap ones just like to blow up. So if you ever need a thermostat, make sure you get the OEM. It's very important because you don't want to be spraying antifreeze behind you on people's windshields and whatnot. It is fun though, it is fun, but it's not fun when you got to get towed to the next shop. All right, so this is a cold start, well, semi-warm start. Well, warm start. Actually, it doesn't really matter because there's no exhaust in this car anyway, so it's not going to sound like anything. So this is the start of the V6 Ford Mustang. And look who just pulled up. Look who just pulled up. Friend of the channel, 04COK500. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and YouTube. He got some good videos being posted almost every day, so he's really doing it. Make sure you follow him. So we are traveling to a highly undisclosed location for the surprise. Actually, we're going to go pick up the other car of the channel, but we have a surprise there. But as we drive there, let's talk about practicality of the Mustang. So let's talk about gas mileage. Gas mileage, I get about 20 miles per gallon. Like I said, this is the V6 GT. Might get maybe about 18, but who knows? Who knows? Drivability, everyday drivability. This is definitely a daily driver. Even though it's a V6, the V8, I've driven that before, and you can definitely drive that every single day, no problem. V6, no exhaust, no sound. You won't disturb your neighbor, so that's good. The V8, stock, has actually a better sound, but still not obnoxious, so your neighbors will be fine with it. What else? Two-seater. Hey, if you have a family, this is probably not the best of vehicles. However, someone can sit in the back seat. There's a little bit of room back there, but not the best for a family. So yeah, that's practicality. All right, guys, we're at a highly undisclosed location, like I told you earlier in the video. So this is the surprise. Let's take a look around. As you can see in the background, we have a lot of stuff going on. Folks. So take a look around. As you may can tell, we are in the Audi of the channel, not the Mustang. Give you a little pull right quick once we pull out the driveway. So I hope y'all enjoyed the highly undisclosed location. Hope y'all saw some things in there that you enjoy. And yeah, we have fun today. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Here's the pull. All right. Never mind the seatbelt tone. But yeah, so the 07 Mustang, like I said, 2005 to 2009. In my opinion, obviously, I'm a little biased because I have one, but it's a very great car to have, especially, oh, one thing we forgot to talk about. We forgot to talk about price. We all like price. Never mind the seatbelt. We all like price. So right now, you can probably get the V6 around $6,000 to $8,000, the 8-cylinder V8, $10,000 to $12,000 in decent shape as well. So that's one good thing that's going for it. But yeah, like I was saying, Mustang, very good car to have, especially in that age range. Reliable, styling is good. People are going to come up to you and ask you about it. They're going to talk about their previous Mustangs, and usually going to have fun with it. Keep in mind though, if you do get a V6, people are going to ask you, is it the V8? You're going to tell them no, and they're like, oh, that's not a Mustang, you shouldn't have done that. Hey, don't even worry about it, because why? You have a Mustang and they don't. Before we go, we got some housekeeping things that we need to take care of. As always, make sure you like the video if you do like the video. If you don't, still hit the like button, because we can't see dislikes anymore. So there's no point in hitting dislike. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you tell other people about the channel as well. Links in the description, make sure you click all of them, just all of them. Make sure you follow all of them. They all support the channel. And if they support the channel, they support us. So we got to make sure that we do our part as well. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.